Hi, welcome to this channel on magnetic energy technology principles applications. This video is about tapping into the Earth's energy grid. Now, there are these energy vortices all over the planet that people visit, they meditate in them, they have great spiritual experiences. But when we move into this magnetic age and the crystal age, we're going to take that to the next level. So, what's going to happen is we're going to identify the specific magnetic resonance of each one of these vortices, and we're going to have technology around them. Now, the key to this is, of course, we have neutral magnetic technology. So we're going to identify the neutral magnetic pulse rates of these vortices. But what's more important than that, though, is we want to preserve the magnetic resonance of each vortice, of each portal, of each one of these places, so that we can use them in the future for transportation. So, like, for example, for teleportation, and not just of humans, but even of goods. And so you can get the idea of like food or products. And that's partly why people will build their communities around these energy vortices, because as soon as we enhance the power of them and the interconnectivity of them, they are natural. There's a natural system around the whole planet that we will utilize and tap into with just a smidge of ascension in humanity. And so part of that looks like there could be magnets and there could be magnetic technology at the areas, at these specific vortexes or vortices, but it's also that there'll be like non-moving parts around them. So there'll be certain like crystals that are charged and charged with the resonance of those specific areas. And that way, when we enhance that energy, it will just be a natural process of moving from one to the other based on an attract field. And so it's a really awesome concept. It's a really powerful technology that we just tap into the Earth's energy grid, and it will help power communities, especially through crystal based technology, but it will also help make the whole planet interconnected through the natural grid. And that's a really cool thing. And so right now that energy is starting to ramp up. So one thing you can do is visit these popular sites and start to tune into them meditatively. Bring like stuff that creates resonant technology, like could be tuning forks or tuning bowls and all those cool like metaphysical new age items. All of those are going to start playing an important part in this, and we're going to transition from frequency into magnetic pulse rate when this technology comes out. So that as soon as that happens, that will really ramp this up by an exponential degree. And so, you know, do it. Take the time to do it, and go with your heart. Go with how you're guided on that, because it's really a cool experience as this energy starts ramping up. And with that, I will see you next time.